Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enter raffle on sneakers using a PC. Let's get started. First, what is raffle on sneakers? On sneakers by Nike, a raffle is called a draw. You enter during a short time window and Nike randomly picks winners. If you win, you get the chance to buy the sneakers. If you lose, you don't pay anything. Open your browser and go to official sneaker website and make sure you are logged into your account. If you don't have an account, create one. It's free. Before entering any raffle, make sure your account is ready. Add your shipping address, add your payment method, and make sure your name and info are correct. It saves time and avoid errors during the draw. On the sneakers homepage, look for upcoming sneaker release. Tap on upcoming at the top of the screen. If it says draw, this means it's a raffle. Click on the sneakers to open the release page. Must sneakers draw open at a specific time. When the draw opens, you will see a enter draw button. Click it. Select the shoe size you want. Check your size before moving forward. After that, click submit or enter draw. And that's it. You have entered sneaker. Will show a confirmation that your entry was received. You will not be charged unless you win. And that's it. That's how to enter a raffle on sneakers using a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.